assemble a timber loader.
That's all.
And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Press the pump. Ready. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to wash the timber loader. Keep it up. Let's assemble the dray scene. Don't stop. Let's load the empty bags onto the dray scene. Amazing! Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. Let's wash the dray scene. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the minecart. Hooray! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Don't stop. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Amazing! Let's assemble a garbage car.
That's all.
Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. Hooray! The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. We need to fix a crack on the garbage car. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Amazing! We need to assemble the flat car. Amazing! Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's repair the railroad station. Let's wash the flat car. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Done! Let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Let's install new roof and windows. We need to fix a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. And now let's grind the seam. Keep it up. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the seam. We did it! We need to assemble the bucket lift. Keep it up. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's install the station clock. Let's wash the bucket lift. Amazing! We need to assemble the locomotive. Amazing! Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. We did it! We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Don't stop. First, let's assemble the train. Go on. You're doing really great. The station is working. Now wizards can go on a journey. Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.